Okay, we're recording now. So we're doing GabrielsOboe by Ennio Morricone, and we've just sang it through the first time, and there are a few issues. We need to sing it a little faster, but let's just go through the markings. Long phrases, so when we are all together, we can cover for each other. And I just think, for now, just take a breath where you need to. When we do this first time ending from 21, the last two bars of that, we pull back the tempo a little bit and we have a nice big comma at the end of Illumina, and then we go back and sing it again. What would be really lovely would be to sing it softer, very, very softly the second time. The whole thing is probably not going to be much more than if we say a basic mezzo piano for this piece with crescendos and diminuendos, so we can go beyond that when we want to. And it just needs to be what we feel, I think. When we do the second time ending, we clearly don't change the tempo until the very end. So at about gobernar, which the basses don't have, so the last slight rowl from the third last bar, just a slight rowl, and a big comma before the amen. That's for everybody except the basses. Basses, you just hold that note that little bit longer until the rest of the choir's done their amen. Okay, anyone? Actually, yeah, just a couple of things. Most of it's pretty straightforward rhythmically. It's probably not as you know it, because in the film, the oboe is a solo instrument and it can use a lot of rubato. So the orchestra is doing what the orchestra does, and they're all together, and the oboe solo is rubatoing all over the place. And when we're all together, we will play with that with the sopranos. The rest of the choir will be pretty well straight as written, and sopranos will be able to do a bit of rubato. But just notice sopranos bar 9 on me. It's quite a quick. What was it? E flat, A flat, B flat. So bomb. Really, really quick one there. And then when we get to 13, yeah. So when I was beating 4 to the bar, it was a bit hard to do it. Yeah. But if that's the beat, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2. Da 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 tibi come sum. So sum da da me tibi come sum pieta. So you need to just practice that. But when we get together, once we've learned to do it precisely, then we'll play with it a little bit. Okay. Should we just sing it again? Yeah. And send you all home to look at your parts and listen to the recording. Okay.
Just noted, Marjorie is not muted.
What was that, David?
Marjorie is not muted.
Oh, that's because I have to mute you all again. Okay. Is it mute all?
He's a telltale.
Yeah, tattletale.
Snitch.
Okay. If you play the same two parts, really good. Okay. A little faster, so dum da 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 da. 1, 2. That's okay, it's a rehearsal. Okay.
I'm going to put some